Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you just got an Amazon gift card, physical card, email code or even a promo credit. It's the same process. If you don't redeem it, it won't show in your balance, we all know this basically. So before even you start shopping, here is exactly how to redeem an Amazon gift card in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for Amazon.com. Then we're gonna go tap on the website, go ahead, log in using your email address and password. Then we're gonna go all the way to this menu on my account and lists. So after tapping on that, go all the way to gift cards here, view balance, redeem your gift card. Then tap on redeem a gift card. All we're gonna do now is enter the claim code and tap apply to your balance. As you see, the claim code is located on top. Copy it and put it here. You can even check your current gift card balance. As for more tips, redeemed gift cards never expire. Make sure you are logged into the correct Amazon account. Codes are also case sensitive, so type carefully. And just like that, your gift card is added to your balance. You can use it basically instantly on eligible purchases. If the code doesn't work, double check for any spaces or typos. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. And of course, we're gonna talk about more of the Amazon video later. So I will see you guys by then.